My roommate rescued a dog from a kill shelter. But I think she rescued the most Velcro dog known to man.
It's funny to think of pandas on a casual basis and not laugh out loud.
По-моему, Сёма побеждает.
Happily.
Well, Mum must be so proud to discover a new hybrided dog breed for the sake of the world.
Door. Get away from that door. Get away from that door, you understand? Don't you ever dare think about coming in. You hear me, good boy?
Getting mocked by a pair of birds while on hunting is such a shame for a cat.